Hi guys, today on Slam Dunk Kalia, I am here with my puppy, Sheba. Sheba. Come on, puppy. What's the baby doing? Huh? Okay guys, so today I'm going to be feeding her with a bottle. You guys might ask, how do you feed a puppy with a bottle? It's quite simple. So, number one, what you need first is a puppy. Got one right here. Here we go. Let's get a better glimpse at the puppy. Yep, that's what she looks like. Okay. Ouch, stop biting me. She likes doing that. Here, hold up, guys. See, you see her? You see her now? She's cute. She's adorable. She's not neutered, so, which is good. I hold her like she's a baby, because she means a lot to me. She means a lot to me. The baby likes me. Okay. So, first a puppy, and then you need a bottle. So, it should be like a newborn bottle. Yes. She's only a newborn. She's only 2 weeks old. Yeah. Yeah, she'd only be a newborn bottle. I'm going to my room. I'm gonna set the puppy right here on the floor. Now, as you can see, she likes to wander, just like to wander around. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Find bottle. It could be in my mom's room, but I don't want to check that out, really. Say hi. I like pinning her down because it's like fun. So like, do this. She's cute. She's like, stop it, let go. And then she bites. So you would stop. But I don't let her get away with it, really. What you doing? And when you rub her tummy, she does that. So guys, I'm going to go and get the bottle. Well, and see if the bottle's in here. So you guys gotta be quiet. Oh, there it is. See, guys, I got it. You gotta be really quiet. Okay. So, first, a puppy. What did you do? Why are you chewing on my clothes? Why are you chewing on my clothes? Huh? Why are you chewing on them? Huh? Okay. First puppy. Yeah. Ouch. Stop biting me. It hurts. Go down. First, a puppy. And then a bottle. It should be like one of these baby bottles. Newborn bottles. They shouldn't have to drink too much. And the nipple hole should be like about that big, so they can get a big gulp out of it. Because if it's really small, it'll take forever for them to drink from it. See, and then now the water is like about that much. Oh, yep. Okay, let's get feeding her. Stop biting me, it hurts. Sheba, no. Okay, guys, look. Get the baby. You tilt the baby like that. See? Drink the pop. And she drinks it. See? Guys, if you took more. See, if they push away, that means they don't want no more. But thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like, share, comment.